If you have an aim to attain a high band score in IELTS speaking, this is the video for you. Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be sharing how IELTS speaking is tested. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon so that you can get upcoming all videos. So now, coming up. When you are preparing for IELTS, there are so many things an IELTS speaking examiner will be looking for. Most importantly, you need to know what the examiner is looking out for to be better preparation for the test day. Logical and consistent. You need to know the fluency and coherence. Let's know what exactly called fluency for IELTS speaking. Fluency, it means examiner will look at your ability of speaking as well as how fluent you are. Now, let's talk about coherence. Coherence. Basically, it means logical connection. At this point, examiner will look at how your words, ideas, your thoughts flow together, how coherent you are, how coherently you speak, how coherently you sound. For example, using connective words. Next, moreover, however, anyway, on the other hand, or something like that. Choosing right words and phrases. You need to know lexical resources. Now let's talk about lexical resources for IELTS speaking. In this case, examiner will look at your ability to choose right words or phrases. Most importantly, how you express yourself clearly, how you demonstrate clearly. Also, we'll look over right word forms, collocation, paraphrasing, idiomatic, and less common language that you use naturally or not. A range of sentence forms. You need to know grammatical range and accuracy. So now let's talk about grammatical range and accuracy for IELTS speaking. Certainly, examiner must look at a range of grammatical structures for high band score. In this case, if you have aimed to attain a high band score from your IELTS exam, you have to use a range of grammatical structures in your IELTS speaking. For example, use both simple and complex. Use modal verb, make passive forms, know how to use connective words, know the actual use of subject-verb agreement, aware of errors. For example, using subject-verb agreement, article, preposition, and so on. Stress, rhythm, intonation, and you need to know pronunciation. Finally, let's talk about pronunciation for your IELTS speaking. Definitely, you will be assessed on a range of pronunciation features in your IELTS speaking. For example, stress, intonation, rhythm, word stress, sentence stress. Most importantly, examiner will be listening for how easy it is to understand you. Moreover, how clearly you pronounce words, as well as identify your pronunciation errors. I'm very scared about my speaking exam. I don't know what to do, how to do. Most importantly, don't rush before your speaking exam. Don't rush during your speaking exam. So you should be relaxed, take deep breath, and mentally well be prepared for the speaking exam. Remember, IELTS speaking exam just as an interview. So don't be rushed. Don't be hurry. I think you will do good. Take relax, take deep breath before your speaking exam or during the speaking exam. You must be confident enough to answer the questions of your IELTS examiner. Wish you all the best. Bye. I think you found this video more useful. If that, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon to get upcoming all videos. Have a wonderful practice. Have a wonderful preparation for IELTS. Have a wonderful IELTS speaking exam. Wish you all the best. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.